let's make tiramisu. Coffee. Mocha pot. Water. Time to offend all of the Italians because I'm doing it wrong, but I don't care. So that's about right. Just so it's slightly over the top. Screw that jobby on top of there. Nice and tight. To the boil. There we go. Wow, pot of coffee. Woohoo! Look at that. Well, our coffee is done. Let's pour that into the bowl. Very hot espresso set of espressos. I'll leave that to cool a little bit before we do our next step. Right, so I say that's sufficiently cooled. I've had a shower, time for a change. Right then, time for the really healthy bits. So we've got double cream. That can go in there. I meant to use mascarpone, but I don't have mascarpone, so we'll use cream cheese. Not all of it, but enough to give it sufficient thickness. That was 300ml, by the way, and that was 2 big spoonfuls. Accurate measurements. Right. There. So I'm meant to put 5 tablespoons of sugar in this. I'm just curious into how much of it actually weigh. So let's break it up first. So about 100 grams, give or take. I can go in there. Surely that needs to be sweetened a bit. I reckon more than that. Now what we need to do is whisk all that up. Now it's gone 10 o'clock at night, my kids are in bed. Let's see how well they're sleeping, shall we? Lick these, but I don't like cream or cream cheese, especially cheesecake, because it's disgusting. You can murder me in the comments if you want to. Right. Next thing, sponge fingers. These are from Sainsbury's. Obviously, other brands are available. Right, so now another dish. So what we're going to do is layer. We're going to take our fingers, I'm going to dip them, shove them all in there, and we're just going to layer them up in here. I'll take sufficient video of this in a moment because they get soggy really quickly. Doesn't matter if some break. That one good. Let's get rid of that. It's far too soggy. I was being lazy by just chucking them all in. Just want to get one, roll it round. Right. Now normally you'd put some alcohol in this as well, but we're not going to. Coffee's enough, and at least my kids can have it. But kids are allowed to drink from 5 years old in the UK, so alcohol is perfectly legal at home as long as it's under the supervision of an adult. Yeah, 5 years old. That's our first layer. Now let's layer up some of this cream. A layer of that. Doesn't have to be nice, you can do as messy as you want as long as you're getting it in there. We're going for a double layer on this one. Nice and messy. Make sure that first layer of sponge fingers is suitably covered. Right. Then even though you must put it on top, we're going to do a little bit all over. A bit in there. Let's layer up the chocolate icing. Right. That'll do for now. Okay, another layer of these fingers. The coffee that's gone cold. Really strong smell of coffee in this kitchen. Right, just so you can see for now. So we've laid up the same at the bottom, all the same way. So those fingers have been soaked in coffee at the bottom, layer of cream on top. We're just repeating the same above now. Don't even drink coffee and this stuff stinks. But for those coffee lovers out there, I imagine it smells divine. So we're nearly done. Last couple. Will it take another one? I reckon it will. One more. There we go. Right. So. I want to look something like that. So again, nice and layered. This is a really easy dessert to make. So if you've got coffee lovers in your life, partner, friend, family, whatever it is, this is a nice easy dessert to make them. And I say if you put it online, you can also potentially anger a lot of Italians, as I've already said, so it's a win-win. People are very protective over their food, and especially when it comes to like national dishes or food that was invented or created in said countries, they can get especially protective over them, which I don't blame them. You know, you create these things and then some silly Welshman comes along and says, it's not important. As long as it isn't pineapple on a pizza, because that is disgusting. I do agree with the Italians on that one, amongst other things. Get that cream from around the edge, because we don't want that there. Good thing is, apart from boiling some coffee, no cooking involved. Right, so we are going to do two things. We want a layer of cocoa powder on the top. Like this. That's fine. But I'll pour that way now, isn't it? Cadbury's flake. You're only bested by a Galaxy Ripple, but again, up for debate. Leave those comments if you want to argue amongst that. So, oh, look at that. I'm going to take it and we're going to crumble that all over the top. Doesn't have to be big chunks of it, it's only chocolate. You can complain about chocolate. And this is for my wife and my eldest daughter, and you know, between the two of them, they are partial to a chocolate bar, so it's not an insult if anyone goes after me and says, "Oh, you're fat shaming." No, I'm not. Right, and I'd say that is one rather rustic but chocolatey and very, very coffee filled tiramisu. And that is done. So, have a go yourself.